Hi everyone, welcome to our kitchen and for a healthy lifestyle segment. Today I'm going to be bringing you a smoothie recipe that I love. I always love my smoothies and thought you would enjoy this too. I call it Strawberry Banana Antioxidant Delight. I tend to make smoothies after I teach my morning yoga and Pilates classes. I find that they are jam-packed with nourishing nutrients, filled with minerals, vitamins, hydrating, protein, and just gets you going for the rest of the day. So we're going to be listing the ingredients for this smoothie down below, and I want you to keep in mind if there are some items in the smoothie that you're not too fond of, like strawberries for example, you can substitute with blueberries, raspberries, kiwi, cherries, whatever you like, and that goes for the amount for each item ingredient as well. You make it your own. In fact, I've made smoothies that I really love, and then I've made some smoothies that aren't too great or to my liking. So honestly, it's a personal preference, but this one came together and it tasted really good, so we thought we would bring it to you today. This serving portion today will be good for about 2 or 3 people, and I would love your feedback, see how you like it, any comments, so you can just comment right below, and please remember to subscribe and like. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start with coconut water. It's 94% water. It's a great source of magnesium. They say that it can help prevent kidney stones, high in antioxidants, very good for keeping your blood sugar low as well as your blood pressure. Also good for the heart. So let's start with pouring this. Now I'm using 500 ml today. And with coconut water, you don't always have to use coconut water. You can use just regular water. Sometimes you can use almond milk, rice milk, oat milk. It's your preference. It can change the texture and flavor as well, but I love using coconut water. Next, we're going to use some yogurt. I like to use about 3 heaping tablespoons of yogurt, and this is one of the most popular fermented milk products. It has probiotics, so it has active live bacteria, really good for your digestion. It can help boost your immune system and also lower cholesterol. Also very high in protein, B12, calcium, phosphorus, and riboflavin. So today I'm using vanilla yogurt. You can use plain yogurt, you can use Greek yogurt. There we go. And our family actually uses, you may have noticed, the lactose-free, because we have a little bit of issue with lactose, so we're using the lactose-free yogurt. Okay, next we have our banana. This is a staple. I love using bananas for smoothies. In fact, I always notice when something's a little bit off and I have forgotten to add my banana. I find it's really good with texture and also flavor. So banana comes from a family of plants called musa from Southeast Asia. And it's a really healthy source of fiber, potassium, B6, vitamin C, antioxidants, and phytonutrients. So here we'll add our banana. And sometimes I even add 2. And next we have strawberries. I use about a cup and a half or so, depending on how many strawberries you'd like. Strawberries are an excellent source of manganese, folate, potassium, very high in antioxidant, great for the heart, and also helps control blood sugar. So we'll be adding those. Next is spinach. This is our leafy green vegetable, and sometimes I use spinach and I add lettuce, kale. Today we're using organic baby spinach. As you notice, I like to take the stems off. That's just a personal preference. Spinach originated in Persia and is actually related to beets and quinoa. So it's very high in antioxidants and nutrients, excellent for eye health and lowering your blood pressure. So I use about a cup, cup and a half, 2 cups of spinach for this. So next we have our cucumber. I use about a half a cucumber, and I just cut it up just to make it a little bit easier. Most people think that a cucumber is a vegetable, but it's actually a fruit. It's a good source of phytonutrients. It's very high in antioxidants and also anti-inflammatory. I know you always hear about putting cucumbers on those puffy, tired eyes. That's because of the cooling anti-inflammatory effects. So let's add our cucumber. So next we have got our flaxseed. Now I am using today, it's a milled flaxseed, golden. You can get flaxseed oil or flaxseed that's not ground, but I really like using this. I keep it in the fridge and it tends to last a long time. I also add this to oatmeal. You can add it to soups or sauces. Salads is a good one. Flaxseed originated in the Middle East, and it's very popular due to the high heart healthy omega-3 fats, fiber, and plant compounds. Really good for your digestion. It decreases your risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. All right, so we add, I usually add 1 to 2 tablespoons. So we're gonna do 2 tablespoons today. It does give your food and smoothie a little bit of a nutty flavor, earthy flavor. Last, we have our turmeric. So I'm using organic turmeric, this bright yellow spice. This originated in India, and it's a spice that is used in many dishes, also a medicinal herb. Very powerful anti-inflammatory and strong antioxidant. So I tend to sprinkle this into sauces, soups. You can basically add it in salads as well, but always include in my smoothies. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon. Usually I just kind of wing it when I put it in. Okay, and there we go. Okay, now it's time to blend. Okay, it's ready. Cheers. That's really good. Excellent. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to hearing from you. Love your feedback.
Have fun trying this smoothie at home.
And we'll see you in our next video.